up a 2023 Lowrider S today from DataTech Tuning. So what's it got? It's got Vance Hines Eliminator 300 slip-ons without the baffles. Sorry, without the quiet baffles, just basic standard. Got the Screamin Eagle Extreme Ventilator intake, the Screamin Eagle 55mm manifold. We're running 6.2 GPS injectors, and I went with the Alpha Performance / CycleRama CR483 cam. Pretty much just picked this cam because it sounds the best, suits my riding style, so I'm just 90% riding around the streets, medium traffic, suits what I need. Obviously, I think everyone's different. I think if I was doing more touring or tour-up riding, I'd probably go for the CR480. If I was going to be going to a drag strip all the time, I'd probably do the CR485, something like that. Those are sort of three main CycleRama cams that they sell for a stock engine. Aside from that, basically I got the Power Plus kit, which I don't think you really need, but I think it was one of those cases where it's like, whilst you're in there, you might as well do it. Anyway, here's my dyno sheet. So let's see, so first up, this is a Mainline dyno, which I've been told reads about 20% less than a Dynojet, so take what you will from it. So baseline run is in green. We had 110 torque, foot-pounds of torque. We had 94 horsepower, or 95, give or take. So that was with the intake and exhaust, no cam. After the cam was put in, we gained 10 foot-pounds of torque, and we also gained 15 horsepower, give or take. So there's a graph there, and it doesn't look that great with this dip over here. Now that's because the exhaust is pretty much just straight through with like a crossover. So the way I understand it is, if you have a 2 and a 1, it's going to have a similar curve, but these engines apparently love back pressure. So I'm thinking I'll go back with the Vance Hines quiet baffles. I'll chuck those in. I don't think they actually changed the note too much, but they'll cause a bit of a restriction and give it a bit more scavenging, and I think it will help with this side of the curve, because I don't really spend that much time out here in 6,000 RPM land, 6,000 plus. But you can see the CR483 goes hard from about, I'd say the 3300 it picks up, 4,000 it just starts to rip your arms off, and it carries all the way past 6,000 to about 6,500 or so. Then the horsepower starts dropping off, but like it's pretty meaty. Anyway, I really can't complain with the choice. Look, AFRs are a lot cleaner now. It was very lean from factory, so super lean, especially in the low RPM. So it's been richened up, runs a lot better, runs a lot smoother. Probably my final thoughts on this are, I think I wouldn't worry too much about the dyno sheet per se. The dip between 2600 and 3300 looks bad, but in reality when you're riding it, it does not feel it. Like I don't feel it. It pulls hard when I need it to, and I'm just rolling the throttle line through that rev range anyway. You're really not like ripping it wide open at 2000 in any case. Like you're always going to be sort of gently rolling on at that point. Anyway, any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks.